Hello everyone, welcome to Python Hands-On. My name is Saurav. So let's get started with today's query, which is how to retrieve data from any database, specifically Oracle database. So let's say we have a table, employee table, which has 10 rows, and we want to write down this script, the Python script using which we can retrieve this data. Okay, so for that you need to check whether you have CS Oracle module, which will help us out to get the data from Oracle database. So I do not have that currently, so what I can do, I can install it using pip installer, pip install CS Oracle. It will download the CS Oracle module for us, using which we'll retrieve the data from the database. Okay, so that's done. Okay, once that is done, we can write down the new script. This is the very first step you need to perform to check whether you have this module available or not. Once you have that, you can easily import it and you won't face this problem, right? So import CS Oracle. Once you import it, the next thing would be to create a connection. Let's see, my connection variable is gone, and with CS Oracle I want to create a connection using the connect method, and inside it you need to give the database connection string. A DB connection string is nothing but the username, then password of your database, then the host where the database is being hosted, after @ and after that your SID of your database. So in my case, the username is system, the password is, I'm gonna tell you this is test, very simple. I'm using localhost because my database server is running on my own machine, and the SID is ORCL. Okay, once that is done, we need to create a cursor variable. A cursor variable will be created on this connection. Okay, so this is the way to initialize the cursor variable. Now we are all set to execute the query and to get that output. Okay, so we can do it using cur.execute, and inside it you need to mention the query you want to write, select star from employee table. Okay, once that is done, you're gonna print the output because the output is stored inside cur now, cur variable. So for line inside cur print line, so it will print each and every line which is stored as per the output of your cur execute command. Okay, so after that, close the cursor as well as the connection. Let's try to run it now. I need to save it. Database query .py. Let's save it and run. Here you go. So these are the 10 rows for which we were trying to get the data. Okay, so the script is pretty simple. As you know, you just need to import CS Oracle. After that, create a connection using the database string you have, and after that just execute the command inside the cursor method. Okay, and one by one you can print the line. In our next lecture, what we are gonna do, we'll store this data inside a file so that you can reuse it for creating plots or something, right? So stay tuned. Thanks very much for watching.